Ever pondered over the interconnection between climate change and human health? The link may be more significant than you think. Climate change, a fundamental threat to the health of humanity, has far-reaching effects on both our physical environment and social constructs. It's a threat multiplier, potentially reversing years of health progress and increasing the risk of health emergencies. Consider the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change's 6th assessment report. It concluded that climate risks are appearing faster and will become more severe sooner than expected. Adaptation becomes increasingly challenging as global heating intensifies. What's more, a staggering 3.6 billion people currently reside in areas highly susceptible to climate change. The irony? Low-income countries and small island developing states, despite contributing minimally to global emissions, bear the brunt of the harshest health impacts. In these vulnerable regions, the death rate from extreme weather events over the past decade was 15 times higher than in less vulnerable ones. Climate change influences health in numerous complex ways. It leads to death and illness from increasingly frequent extreme weather events like heat waves, storms, and floods. It disrupts food systems, amplifies the spread of zoonotic and food, water, and vector-borne diseases, and contributes to mental health issues. Additionally, climate change undermines many social determinants for good health, such as livelihoods, equality, and access to healthcare and social support structures. Unfortunately, these climate-sensitive health risks disproportionately affect the most vulnerable and disadvantaged among us. Women, children, ethnic minorities, impoverished communities, migrants, displaced persons, older populations, and those with underlying health conditions suffer the most. So, what can we do? It's time to actively engage in mitigating climate change. Start by becoming more conscious of our individual carbon footprints. Opt for renewable energy sources, reduce, reuse, and recycle whenever possible, and advocate for sustainable practices in our communities and workplaces. Each one of us has the power to make a difference. Remember, a healthier planet means healthier people. By tackling climate change head-on, we're not just protecting our environment, we're safeguarding our collective well-being. Now that's a cause worth fighting for.